Okay everyone, we're back with the Hoover Dual Power Max Upright Carpet Cleaner. We're going to be tackling the filthy outdoor rug. It's got a lot of stains on it. There's a dirty, oily spot right here. It used to sit under my car. It's very dirty. We are going to use this machine to clean this carpet and see how well it performs. We have Hoover's Clean Plus carpet detergent in it. So without further ado, let's begin cleaning. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on, recline, and the water is pumping, and here we go. See, it's very foamy because of the pre-spray. I really want to try these stains. We're going to go over the carpet several times. First with detergent in the machine, and then with no detergent. Now we're going to attempt these stains. Oh, it's actually cleaning them up. Oh, hey, whoa, check that out. Actually getting the stains out. Spray the heavy cleaner on. Here we go with the burning rubber smell. You can't stand this machine upright at all. Hopefully I didn't just ruin this brand new belt. Ugh. That's why this machine is not going back in my house. If you stand it upright for even 30 seconds, it starts to grind into its belt because the brush roll shutoff mechanism doesn't work correctly. Though the brushes don't spin, even when the brushes aren't supposed to spin, they still spin when they're loose. When you put them on the carpet like this, they stop, and then that's when the belt starts to grind down. Because the belt still continues to spin, but the brushes are forced off. So the brush roll shutoff mechanism that this machine has doesn't work, which is annoying. Okay, let's keep cleaning. Let's see, which way really cleans the carpet? Seems like this way is doing a really good job. Oh yeah. And the dirty water tank is full. Okay, so let's check out the color of the water. You can already, ow, freaking thing bit me again. Quite dirty, as you can see. So I'm gonna finish up the solution that is in the tank. And we're gonna get back to cleaning. So all I'm gonna do is just go right up to here, put the tank back in, and we're gonna finish on this really greasy, dirty area right here. Oop, no. Okay, let's continue. Not hard to push the carpet cleaner this way. You can see the immediate color change. Oh, here's that red stain. Look at that. You can see the dirt being erased. There's visible difference in the color of the carpet pile. And that's pretty freaking cool, isn't it? Running low on detergent in the tank. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning, and then we'll be back with some results. Okay, so we are back with the Hoover Dual Power Max. All that's in the tank now is water. We've done all of our detergent passes. You can see how all the stains are now gone. The carpet looks beautifully clean. Now it's time to rinse out all that soap. Now it's time to rinse the very soapy areas. You can see how much soap is in the carpet. It's a lot, actually. After all the chemicals we put down, probably never going to really get all the soap out. Let's go this way now. Starting to reduce the soap. This is why I really recommend Rug Doctor detergents, because they tend to not be very soapy. Hoover's detergents tend to get kind of on the soapy side. Try and get this area soap free again. Okay, let's go right here. All right, you can see how the water we're pulling out is starting to become clear. So that's showing like clear of dirt. There's still soap in it. So I will be back with more results. Okay, everyone, so we are finished. Here is the carpet. You can see it looks very good. Like, it looks pretty much brand new. That berry sauce stain is gone. Those two weird stains over there are gone. The mixture of the brush, the pump sprayer, and the different detergents did a completely amazing job of getting the dirt out of the carpet. On the final extraction pass, the water was pretty much clear except for like a little piece of dirt here and there. So we know that the carpet is now clean. That took a lot of work. I've been out here for a while now, but the carpet is now clean. It's fresh, it smells better now, and overall is in much better shape. The Hoover Dual Power Max, I still wouldn't recommend it. I'd recommend the Bissell Revolution Pet. It does a better job of cleaning. The brushes are on, like, have height adjustment, so they dig into carpets better. The Hoovers may have longer bristles, but the brushes are stuck up in the machine so they can't drop down, so they won't clean carpets as well. Plus the Bissell suction is better. But overall, with enough passes, the Hoover was able to clean this carpet, and the carpet looks incredibly clean now. So let me know what you think about this. The Hoover still had some issues during this. It was leaking water out of its motor and smelling funny again. But overall, it did an okay job. But yeah, anyways, let me know what you think about this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you with more videos very soon. Goodbye.